from School of Engineering and Technology.
Hello, I am Damini Josen from School of Agriculture and Natural Sciences.
I'm Evin Pius, MBA final year student.
Hi everyone, my name is Palak Sachin from BCom Honors.
Hi guys, I Saket from School of Management Studies.
Hi, I'm Simranjeet Kaur, student of BCA Cybersecurity.
Hi, my name is Bilal.
Hi, I'm Ishwinda Kaur from School of Design and Innovation. Our college is trying hard to cover the gap between studies during this lockdown.
Past few days I have attended so many webinars that are organized by our city university.
During this lockdown, these webinars has helped us a lot in our studies and maintaining our interest in our studies.
The webinar was really informative and to join a webinar is really easy.
During this lockdown, these webinars have helped us a lot. This brings continuity to our study.
It was one of the wonderful experience in my whole life.
The webinars that have been conducted by Adipriya sir during the lockdown was quite informative and very helpful. The last couple of days were quite important for me to know various aspects of the placement and get a placement as well. But even though we don't have classes, Adipriya sir through his various webinars have been able to guide us about how to crack online interviews or how to compete stress during this thing. And he also exposed us to new platforms which we had no idea about, and he also gave us new opportunities, new processes or new ways to think of cracking an interview or getting into a job. Not only that, it helped me spend time productively during this lockdown.
Your positivity and encouragement have brightened our days. I'm really grateful to you for emboldening us.
This is the best initiative done by our university for imparting knowledge, and we can say this is the best way to provide knowledge while students staying in their home.
I sincerely thank Adipriya sir and VC sir for conducting the seminar online.
Thanks to VC sir, Harshadavati sir and Adipriya sir who are giving the knowledge through webinars.
I would like to thank to all my teachers, especially respected Dr. Harshadavati, our Vice Chancellor, and Mr. Adipriya for organizing such interesting webinars.
Many thanks to our Adipriya sir and PJ sir for taking these initiatives.
Really want to thank our respected Vice Chancellor, Dr. Harsh Sadavati and Adipriya sir for organizing such great and knowledgeable webinars during this lockdown.
It was great to be a part of it.
Thank you for your continuous support.
Stay safe, stay home.
Thank you and hats off.